Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, just thinking about a simple little round pattern that you could use, and you could see what it looks like when I take away the color. It's all been welded together. And you could do this with anything. I'm using the letter 8, but that just makes it easy. And actually, when you do this, this is a text. So before we weld it, we got to turn it into a curve anyway, so we'll go and do it at this time. We're going to take an ellipse, doesn't matter really what size, and hit P. Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, bring that in. Now we're going to bring in an indexing or a line, and we're going to hit P. I'm going to take away my indexing line for just a second. This is in the center of the page, so I don't have to move the rotation. I'm just going to rotate it 15 degrees. Now Control D and make a duplicate and use the horizontal mirror, and you've got that right there. Now take your Smart Fill tool and fill in that well, and left click, right click. I'm going to go and get rid of my old one. It's a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and rotate this thing 90 degrees. And I'm going to left click, right click. Doesn't really matter what size it is. It's quite a bit bigger, but we can make it a little bit smaller. Now with that selected, we're going to go to Effects and Envelope. And when you open up the envelope docker right here, create envelope from, and you've got that selected, so it's going to put it in there, and you can see how it kind of curved it. Now shift select the other object and hit EC. Now we can move this out of the way. Now I can actually move all this out of the way and put this back. Now I'm going to bring in my indexing lines that are in the center of the page. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the X and move the rotation to the center. It doesn't look like it is, but I want to recheck it, and it is. Now I rotated this 90 degrees, so I need to change this to 30 degrees more, and I could type in plus 30, but I know 30 and 190 is 120. And if we look real close, we lucked out because they're actually over touching. We want that. So now I can Control D again and rotate it 30 more degrees, which is 150, and then just go all the way around. And now we can take it and actually weld it, selecting everything and weld. We could not have welded it if it was a font. So what it did, it cut out those center lines. And there's a lot you can do with this. We'll make this one a different color and just fill it. Well, you don't even have to fill it in. You could actually just take it and grab it and fill it in with whatever color you want over here. And then take away the outline if you want to. But that's a real easy way, and you could use anything. Anything that would touch from side to side. I just thought of the 8 because it kind of almost like it just continues on its path. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.